Hello everybody, it's Rich220 once again, and I wanted to see if all the pistons were going to move. So here we go. Okay. I think we've got this problem solved. Yep, she's moving. Now all I gotta do is clean off the yuck, and I can start putting her together. I'll put her back in the compression stroke later. I just wanted to make sure everything was moving and there were no dead spots. So the block has got 8 pistons again, and the only thing I want to do now is just test everything for making sure that the marbles doesn't leak down right away, because if it does, then that one's going to have to be removed. So this is 1. That's 2. See how that does. See how long it takes for it to go down. Do the same on this side. Okay. There's that one there. And that one there. Because I've already tested the other ones. That way I only got to test 2. And it looks like we're pretty good. So I'm going to try and slide that down a little bit. To the point where I can get the other ones to go down. And then, let's see, it's that one and that one there. Okay, so I'm going to turn the harmonic. Let's see. No, so good. That's good. All right, well, I'm going to come back and film this after work today. Right now, they are all holding fluid, and nothing is draining out. I have to check the one right there next to the one I put in, and then I have to check the back one on the driver's side. But for now, all looks good. Then I got to go and get a thick piece of rubber and cut new engine mount bushings for the engine mounts. So let me cover this up, and hope you enjoyed the short. It looks like everything's working. I'll get those leaves out of there when I get back tonight. And then I got a little more vacuuming to do and a little more cleaning up. I might use a little bit of brake clean in order to get this stuff loosened up a little better. But the white lithium grease should come right off, and it's not going to hurt it anyway, so it should be fine. The main thing I was told is just to make sure that this thing rolls without any hang-ups. If there's no hang-ups and the fluid stays afloat, actually the one that I just was going to test over here in the front is fine, because that actually held fluid. So I only got to test the one in the back up against the firewall on the driver's side, and that's it. And then we could start piecing this bad boy back together. I could take all that white lithium grease and wipe it off, and then clean the block, and then start to put her back together. Head gaskets, all that other junk. All right, folks, I hope you enjoyed it. This is Rich220 signing off. Please like and subscribe, and bloop bleep comment down below if you so feel the need to, or if you have any constructive criticism, or if you have any ideas that'll make things a little easier. Okay, have a good day. Bye.